Jay was on a business trip. He was an executive for a company based out of Boca Raton, Florida, and he was at meetings, strategic planning meetings, and he went for a walk on the beach at night, and he was attacked somewhere. We don't have a lot of information, and he was killed.
This was in Boca Raton, Florida?
This was actually in Deerfield Beach, Florida.
And this happened in October?
October 17th of last year. 2012. We're coming up to our first year anniversary.
And how's the investigation going?
Very slow.
Very slow. It's been described as a very mysterious and intriguing case, and so the family, a group of us, are going down at the end of October to bring some attention to this case. We don't want him forgotten, and we're far away, so it's difficult for us.
Yeah, tell me about Jay. So you went to college with him, and you met through...
We met in college, and
you guys met through Jay, basically.
And then Jay came along. He was my friend. A couple years behind me.
Yeah.
Yes. And they became best buddies.
Yep.
Yes. And then we married each other, and then Jay married my best friend, and the four of us were always together with our kids. So.
Jay and Paul's a lifelong resident of Lowell. Went to high school here. And